New NotebookLM update is insane. NotebookLM just dropped something that's going to change everything. I'm talking about creating professional infographics and slide decks in seconds. And the best part, it's free for everyone right now. So here's what happened. Google just rolled out two massive features to NotebookLM, infographics and slide decks. And they're powered by something called Nano Banana Pro. This is Google's Gemini 3 image model built right into NotebookLM. What does this mean for you? You can now take any notes, any PDFs, any documents you have, and turn them into professional visual content. We're talking charts, timelines, icons, full presentation slides, all generated automatically, no design skills needed, no expensive software. Just upload your stuff and let the AI do the work. Now, before I show you exactly how this works, let me explain why this is such a big deal. Most AI image generators just make random pretty pictures. They don't understand your content, they don't care about accuracy. But Nano Banana Pro is different. It actually reads your sources, it understands your research, it creates visuals that match your specific content. So if you upload a report about sales data, it makes charts about sales data. If you upload notes about history, it creates relevant timelines. Everything is based on what you actually uploaded. That's the game changer here. Let me walk you through the infographics feature first. You go to NotebookLM, you upload your documents, notes, PDFs, whatever you've got. Then you click on the new infographics option. The AI reads through everything. It identifies the key points, it figures out what visuals would work best, and boom, you've got a professional infographic, charts showing your data, icons representing your concepts, timelines organizing your information, sleek layouts that actually look good. And here's the crazy part. You can customize everything. Change the colors to match your brand, adjust the fonts, rearrange the layout, make it exactly what you need, then export it as a PDF or image. Use it in reports, presentations, social media, whatever. The slide deck feature works the same way. Upload your content, click the slide deck option. NotebookLM generates an entire presentation for you. Professional slides, clean design, your content organized perfectly. And just like the infographics, you can customize everything. Then export to Google Slides or PDF, ready to present immediately. Now, let me tell you who this is perfect for. Students can turn study notes into visual study guides. Educators can create lecture presentations in minutes instead of hours. Content creators can make pitch decks in social media graphics without hiring designers. Business professionals can turn reports into engaging presentations. Anyone who needs to communicate information visually just got a massive upgrade. And remember, this is all free right now. You don't need NotebookLM Pro. You don't need to pay anything. Just go to notebooklm.google and start using it. Let me give you some specific use cases so you can see how powerful this really is. Say you're a student studying for exams, you've got pages and pages of notes, upload them to NotebookLM, generate an infographic that summarizes everything visually. Suddenly your study material is way easier to remember because our brains love visual information. Or say you're a teacher preparing a lesson, you've got your lesson plan written out, upload it to NotebookLM, generate a slide deck. Now you've got a full presentation ready to go with visuals that help students understand the concepts better. Or maybe you're pitching a client, you've got research and data about their industry, upload it to NotebookLM, create an infographic showing the market opportunity, generate slides for your pitch deck. Now you look incredibly professional, and it took you maybe 20 minutes total. The productivity boost here is massive. Things that used to take hours now take minutes, and the quality is actually good. This isn't some janky AI output that looks amateur. These are professional grade visuals. Now, here's something most people don't realize yet. You can combine this with other NotebookLM features. Remember, NotebookLM already does audio overviews. It can turn your notes into podcast-style summaries. Now you can do visual overviews too, so you could take the same source material and create an audio version for listening, a visual infographic for quick reference, and a slide deck for presenting. 3 different formats from one upload. That's insane efficiency. And it all stays synced because it's from the same sources. All right, last thing before I go. If you're serious about staying ahead with AI tools and want to learn how to build real automation systems that scale your business with tools like NotebookLM, you absolutely need to join AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we break down exactly how to implement these tools in ways that actually matter for your business. Not just surface level tips, but deep strategies for automating your workflow, creating better content faster, and ultimately getting more customers. Inside AI Profit Boardroom, you'll get step-by-step training on using NotebookLM and dozens of other AI tools to transform how you work. You'll see real examples from people in the community who are saving hundreds of hours and scaling their businesses. And you'll get direct access to ask questions and get feedback on your specific situation. This is the best place to learn how to leverage AI automation for real business results. Link is in the description below. Trust me, if you're watching this video, you need to be in that community. Okay, quick recap. NotebookLM just launched infographics and slide decks. Powered by Nano Banana Pro, free for everyone. Creates professional visuals from your notes and documents. Huge time saver. Game changer for students, educators, creators, professionals. Go try it right now at notebooklm.google.startcreating. Comment below and tell me what you make. And if you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe because I'm dropping AI updates like this all the time. See you in the next one.